Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the GYMAX folding treadmill, a game changer for your home workouts. The powerful 2.25 HP motor ensures a smooth and quiet exercise experience, no disturbances for your neighbors or family. The 5-layer shock-absorbing running belt provides joint-friendly cushioning, and the wide running area guarantees exceptional comfort. One standout feature is the adjustable speed, ranging from a leisurely 1 km/h to a heart-pounding 12.8 km/h. Whether you prefer a brisk walk, a steady jog, or an intense run, this treadmill has you covered. The safety key adds an extra layer of security, instantly stopping the treadmill in case of an emergency. The large LED touch display is not only easy to navigate but also offers real-time data on speed, time, steps, distance, and calories burned. Plus, the built-in device holder allows you to enjoy entertainment while breaking a sweat. The foldable design makes storage a breeze, fitting seamlessly into any room corner, and the 4 built-in flexible wheels ensure effortless movement. Just a heads up, it's best not to use this treadmill on carpet to prevent overheating. In summary, the GYMAX folding treadmill combines power, comfort, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for your home gym or office. Stay fit, stay healthy. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.